What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV. The pre-order for the Galaxy S26 Ultra and all the S26s are going on right now. You want to take advantage of this because these things might sell out, and they have tons of great new features. These are the lightest, slimmest Galaxy Ultras ever. This thing is a great little evolution of slimness. Now, you have all four colors right here. You have like the gray, and then we have gray black, and then you have the white, the pure white. You have this bluish color, and then you have this like purplish color. My favorites actually, and I'm kind of surprised at that, I do like the purple, but they are this blue and this whitish color. Really, really nice colors going on right here. Now there's a bunch of new upgrades for this phone. First of all, you have this wider selfie, and me and my buddy Adam from Tech Odyssey did a video on it, and you can see that it is much wider, and I'm actually really, really impressed with that. It's really, really cool. You're getting a redesigned vapor chamber for better cooling, and that's gonna be able to give you better performance over the long term. Don't forget about the super fast charging now. 60 watt on the wired side and 25 watt on the wireless side. It's really, really great upgrades. The new aperture on the cameras bring in up to 47% more light on the main camera and 37% on the telephoto. So your nighttime photography and just photos overall with low light are gonna be much more improved. Now, I haven't spent a ton of time with it, but as a new M14 OLED display, which is gonna be better for not only their new privacy display that blocks out some of what you can see from the sides and the top, but the overall quality of the screen is improved as well. Going back to the cameras now, they have this new super steady mode, which they've always had for at least for a while now, but it has this feature where you can go 360 degrees and you never lose the orientation of what you're recording. Here's the rear camera now, the main one. I get 4K 30. I'm gonna show Josh right here. Josh Quinones is recording. Look at him, so happy. Look at that, he's really getting into it. And then we'll get into a ultra wide. You can see my buddy Ricky and everything that's going on around here. I'll switch it back to myself. What do you guys think? This is the new cameras, S26 Ultra. Couple of understated AI features that this now has as well is it has a call screening feature where when you get an unknown call, Galaxy AI will actually take the call for you and screen it, and you can decide from there if you want to answer the call. This other one is really cool. It's called scam detection. While you're on the phone call, Galaxy AI will basically tell you, hey, you might not want to continue on with this call, or maybe you do, but it's gonna be there. So if you're like an older person or someone who's a little bit confused about who's calling you, you can get that scam alert right directly on your phone in real time. There's a bunch of new AI features built into this with Photo Assist that now can use a natural language model, so you can just put in kind of what you want and it will just know. You don't have to be like, oh, I have to say this certain thing. It just knows what you want by talking like a normal human. Now here's my Galaxy S25 Ultra, and here is the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Again, it's thinner and it's lighter. When you put it side by side, it's hard to tell like, oh wow, it's much more thinner, but you can definitely feel a little bit less weight in the S26 Ultra over the S25 Ultra. And when you lose weight and you're thinner, but you have more power. Remember, this has Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 in it, which is the most powerful processor that Snapdragon has put out, and it's made for Galaxy, so it's a little bit overclocked, more powerful. That's awesome. Like, that's a big gain, being lighter and thinner and more powerful at the same time. So why do you want to upgrade? Well, a bunch of reasons. So you're getting better low light photography on here, which is awesome because you want better low light photography. You're getting a wider selfie camera. This is honestly one of my favorite things about this phone. Definitely in my top 5 things. Faster wired charging, faster wireless charging as well, up to 75% in 30 minutes when you're doing wired charging on here now. That's pretty cool. thinner and lighter, which is, again, a totally understated fact. It's not hugely thinner and hugely lighter, but it is making an impact. The new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy, which is gonna give you better performance in AI, CPU, and GPU performance. All the new AI things in here as well, from calling and photo and audio eraser built into like Netflix and all your social media apps. It's pretty awesome. So the link is down below. Take advantage of it. If you do, it supports what I do. I would greatly appreciate it. And you're gonna get an awesome phone, guys. This is literally one of the best phones, if not the best phone that Samsung and anyone else puts out this year. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys down the road. Peace.